the Salanova is the first cut is very nice and tender, but the second and third cut comes out more subdivided. Is it normal, or does it want some special cultivation methods? No, that's normal. You know, a lot of guys I know now actually just do one cut of Salanova. Eric Schultz does that. He's done that for a while. He just cuts it and then he crops it out. But I've always experienced that the first cut is gravy, is just the best. Full yield, you know, you'll get 1 pound per linear foot in bed. So a 50-foot bed will give you 50 pounds, 100 foot, 100 pounds. The second cut, you'll get less yield. It'll be a little bit less tender, a little bit more crispy, which actually isn't so bad. A little bit more bitter. And I think I said a little bit less yield, like 30, 40% less yield. Third cut, a lot more of all those three things. So I've often found that it's usually not even worth waiting for the third cut unless you're in a sort of a tight succession situation on the farm where you don't necessarily need to turn over those beds of Salanova. You're going, oh, okay, well, I don't need to replant these right away. Might as well wait for a third cut because I got a lot of greens demand coming in right now. And by waiting for that third cut will give me a little bit of a boost on the newer crops I have coming in. And so I often justified, even if that third cut was less yield, you know, I'd probably go down to about 18 pounds on a 50-foot bed for that third cut, but it harvests really fast. It's probably like 5 minutes to harvest that when it's smaller like that. Yes, it's more bitter. Yes, it's a bit more crunchy, but if you mix it in with the first cut stuff, it goes completely unnoticed and it boosts up your yield or your volumes for the week. So that's why I waited for that when I needed to. But more often than not, we would just, after the second cut, just turn it under, put the next thing in.